your local weather right now with Tim on the Gold Coast. G'day, Tim.
Hello again, Alex. At Burleigh Heads is where we are this morning, and we love Australian prawns, don't we? It is prawn season. We have Queensland's most lovable prawn trawler right here, Dave Patane, who can peel a prawn in 3 seconds. We have timed him this morning. We have tested it. What is the trick before you have a go, Dave?
Well, look at the quality of the prawn, nice and fresh. Rip the head off, part of the body, pinch the tail.
Okay, here we go. We're going to start the clock. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3:54. You're slipping. He got 3:02 before. Would you believe it?
I had no coffee this morning.
All right. Well, you fill that bowl there for me if you would be so kind. We're going to find out what goes really well with prawns right after we take a look at our capital city forecast right now. And this Thursday morning, good morning to you. Cairns, some showers around 28 degrees. Brisbane looking fine and sunny, as is the Gold Coast here today. Sydney will be windy, a hot top of 30 degrees today. 23 and a possible shower in store for Canberra. Melbourne, good morning to you. Some light rain around at times and 15 degrees. Hobart, an early shower or two and 13. Adelaide, some showers. Perth today, partly cloudy, 21 degrees. And the Alice, possible late shower for you, 33. Darwin today, partly cloudy and 34 degrees. Well, Ollie Hansford is an executive chef, and this morning, have a go at this. Throw another one on the barbie. Ollie, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm very, very well now. What have you got for us?
We've got some beautiful Australian wild tiger prawns just on the barbecue, and we've just got a few little dipping sauces to go with it.
Oh my goodness, I can't wait. All right, you get started on those dipping sauces, guys. I will see you with those dipping sauces, and we'll give you the recipes as well if you want something to go with these beautiful prawns this morning. See you guys in half an hour.
Prawns on the barbie, yes.
And you should be peeling them yourself, frankly. That's part of the fun. Thank you, Tim.